Namaste everyone and welcome to Super Rats Cat. Now this session is specifically focused on trying to understand what will CAT 2024 exam look like, and this is one question that would be in the minds of every aspirant who has struggled hard so far to understand कि यार CAT 2024 में exactly होना क्या है. Now I'll have a very different take on it and I'll want you to watch the video till the end so that you understand the spirit with which you are expected to prepare so that such a question actually becomes irrelevant. Imagine you not required to worry कि कैट का एग्जाम होगा कैसा. आई रियली डोंट केयर. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं डिस्कशन को with the first part, which is the sections. Have CAT authority shared the three sections and the corresponding time limit? Absolutely. So what are the three sections? We have verbal ability and reading comprehension as section 1. They've clearly said this कि sections का order भी fix है. Section 1 is VARC, Section 2 DILR, and Section 3 quantitative ability with a sectional time limit of 40 minutes. So there is absolutely no change in the pattern of CAT exam. जैसा last year का pattern था वैसे ही अभी का pattern है. Now, in terms of small changes that they can do here and there, क्या क्या changes कर सकते हैं? So RCs में भी 16 questions और 8 questions, VA के 24 questions से they have not shared कि number of questions कितने आएंगे. 40 minutes में हो सकता है questions reduce कर दें, हो सकता है questions हल्के से बढ़ा दें, हो सकता है RC का weightage कम कर दें, VA के questions बढ़ा दें, uniformity ले आएं VA और RC में. You never know. That is something that nobody can predict. Same is the case with DILR. Last year we had 20 questions, 4 sets of 5 questions each. 4 सेट से 5 क्वेश्चन हर एक में थे. स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड था एंड द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ सेट्स वेर हेविली बायस टुवर्ड्स रीजनिंग. तो डीआई आया भी है तो इट हैज बीन रिलेटेड टू रीजनिंग बेस्ड डीआई या क्वांट बेस्ड रीजनिंग. डायरेक्ट डीआई का स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सेट बहुत रेयरली मिला था. सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट वी कैन कीप इन माइंड कि हो सकता है इस बार बैलेंस आ जाए, प्योर डीआई के सेट्स आ जाए, हेवी कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड डीआई के सेट्स आ जाए. Again, nobody can predict anything. And the last part is quantitative ability. Last year, CAT 2023 quantitative ability section was a nightmare. Absolute nightmare for almost every aspirant, irrespective की कौन सा background है, engineering, non-engineering, math background, non-math background, doesn't matter. CAT 23 का QA section actually made people to feel the heat of the quantitative ability section. So ये वाले सेक्शन के बारे में predictability again becomes very challenging. General thought is that it will get normalized to levels which typically can be called as sane levels of difficulty. क्योंकि extremely difficult paper is not very good and extremely easy paper is also not very good. So it will come back to some normalization QA. But again, nobody can predict anything. And which is why I'm going to say कि अगर predictability वाले part पे आए so the only thing constant with regards to CAT has been some amount of change here and there, and therefore nobody can essentially predict कि exactly होगा क्या. तो जब प्रेडिक्ट कर ही नहीं सकते तो इस डिस्कशन के बारे में टाइम इन्वेस्ट करने का भी कोई सेंस नहीं है. ब्रॉडली हमें पता है कि लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स में क्या हुआ है. ब्रॉडली हमें आइडिया है कि सिलेबस किस तरह का है, ऑल्दो कैट ऑथोरिटीज हैव नेवर एवर शेयर्ड द एक्चुअल सिलेबस फॉर कैट एग्जाम. सो द ओनली बेस्ट बेट दैट वी हैव is to understand कि what have been the previous CAT papers looked like. और इसके लिए there is an ongoing series on the same channel, CAT 480 questions for PYQ when it comes to QA, and similarly must do 25 DLR sets and must do 25 RCK sets and VA questions. So please make sure that you go through all the previous year's question paper. That will give you a fair idea that irrespective of the small little changes that happen here and there, broadly the paper remains the same. Having said this, what is the best bet? अब predict तो नहीं कर सकते. So think of analogies when it comes to different situations. Think of it as a game. So CAT का एक एग्जाम 2 घंटे का एक गेम है, उसके certain rules हैं. There are certain expectations that you are expected to follow. अब इस पूरे broad scenario में what is your best bet? आप अपने लेवल पे बेस्ट क्या कर सकते हो? So think of creating analogies with sports. क्रिकेट में does a विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा वरी टू मच अबाउट द पिच कंडीशंस की यार ऐसा होगा तो मैं ऐसे खेल पाऊंगा नहीं खेल पाऊंगा. what they do is they prepare as best as they can. तो मेरा मैसेज भी यही है. there are 2-3 things that I want you to be very very clear in your head and you have to be very aggressive. Develop that killer instinct that I don't care. Just keep these 3 words in your head. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I absolutely don't care about what CAT 2024 is going to look like because I am thoroughly prepared. तो आपके दिमाग में बस ये थॉट होना चाहिए that hope for the best but essentially prepare for the worst. अगर आपका प्रिपरेशन वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो के लिए है then you have absolutely nothing to fear. आपको डरने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So these three words, I don't care and I'm thoroughly prepared. I'm super prepared. So अगर ये थॉट आ जाए एक लास्ट इंटरेस्टिंग कोटेशन के साथ या एक सिनेरियो या स्टोरी के साथ मैं एंड करूंगा. ड्यूरिंग माय डेज व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर, again I had some very good mentors. I was very fortunate to have some fabulous mentors who helped me prepare for CAT. And in general, just like the craze is, a lot of students used to ask, sir इस साल CAT में क्या होगा, आपको क्या लगता है इस साल CAT में क्या चेंजेस आएंगे, क्या हम प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि CAT. So one of my mentors was very, on the face, rude, aggressive kind of a personality, and he used to say, किसी के पिताजी में दम नहीं है कि वो predict कर पाए कि exactly cat में क्या होगा. So with this thought, I'll take your leave. Ciao.